So the work we're carrying out at the moment is for postmodern construction. It's me, Jake, from Towers Construction, working for postmodern construction. He's managing it all, ordering all the stuff up, dealing with the customers, so we don't have to. Check out his Instagram. So his Instagram handle's up in the corner here, and it's postmodern construction. Looks like that. Take a look at half the work we do with them, lead work, extensions and things like that, roofs, anything like that. So check that out. But yeah, we're carrying out the landscaping for him on this 300 square meter block paved driveway. It's going to be a 3 to 4 week project, so just a lot of gear being moved. So we've got probably about 30 tons of type 1 or 40 mil scalps in, and we are going to get about another 20 tons of 6 mil to dust. So a lot of gear being moved. I think there's 20 odd pallets of blocks being delivered. So yeah, it's a busy summer for us. How's your week going? How's your summer going? Like, comment, subscribe, share, comment below on what you would do differently, on what videos you'd like. Like, comment, subscribe. Right then, welcome back. Been a busy week, been a hot week this week. We've been cracking out, getting all the block edging in, the ACO drainage. We've got 20 tons of 40 mil scouts moved around using that 5-ton digger. We've concentrated on getting all the ACO drainage in. We've concentrated on getting the majority of the blocks in and getting a load of gear shifted around. We've laid all of our blocks on a 5-to-1 sand and cement mix. We've laid all of our ACO drains on a 5-to-1 sand and cement mix. We've connected all of our ACO drainage up to the downpipes. All of our levels are set up using string lines and laser levels. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.